Whoiskingshawn.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. We're gonna do a little something different, right? I've been getting a lot of messages. Even though we're gonna be talking about this over here, but we're gonna go here first, right? I don't know if you remember a while back, I did a video on this website, Biz Buy Sell, right? So I always said, a lot of people used to send me messages saying, hey, I got some money, I got some decent credit, I got some funding. How can I invest my money? I always said, no matter what location, what state, wherever you're from, you could go right on this website, you put your location, and it'll bring up a bunch of businesses for sale right here. We got cafes, real estates, dentals. We got a business right here, turnkey restaurant, so many business, car detailing, barbershops, hair salon. You can see right here, we got a salon for $240,000. You could go on here, negotiate, work out a deal with these different business owners that's selling it, down to this cleaning business, anything, tattoo shops, doesn't matter. Got the prices here. But today, I'm gonna do a video a little bit different. The reason why is that people are saying, hey, I'm not into business. I just want to work a 9 to 5. I just want to live my life basic, have a decent savings account. So when I retire, and I always tell people, savings account, banks is not the way to go. But if you have to, right? If that's what you want to do, I always say, put your money in a high yield savings account. That's what you want to look for. So you can gain the benefit off of something. Even though you're not going to gain much, you can make your money with a high yield savings account. Better than just putting in any other bank and getting the average of basically nothing. We'll go through that, right? So we're looking at DCU Credit Union, right? I had somebody tell me about this savings account, right? I was trying to explain to them, right? They were saying, hey, they got a 6.17% APY on your money with this bank. It's really good. I want to do it. I'm trying to explain to them, you gotta get on the phone with customer service, understand what's going on with these banks. Just don't open up the website, see this, and you think that's what's gonna happen. It don't work that way, right? So yes, as you see this right here, it does say 6.17% APY on your money. But this is the key, people, right? On a balance up to $1,000. So once you hit that $1,000, it will drop down to basically, I'm not even saying the number, y'all could do the research, right? That was the first one a lot of people were sending me. We're gonna do the second one people have been sending me, right? This is BECU, right? This is another great credit union again. So let's go over here. Let's move this over here a little bit so you can see the side of the screen, right? So again, they got a 6.17% APY on their money, but look what this says, people, right? For the first $500. So after the $500, guess where it's going, people? Back down to the 0.57, which is miserable, horrible, right? I'm actually going to show you banks. If this is the journey you want to go into a savings account, you're working 9 to 5, you're trying to be basic, just something that you could throw your money in. I'm going to show you 2 ways you could go, right? So we could go here to a bank right here. This is a good bank, Evergreen. This is an online banking. Again, they have a 5.35 APY on your money, right? But this is the key. You need to have a minimum of 10,000. So now if you're just going to have this account for saving money, well, it's good. 10,000 should be none. You should be at 20, 30, 40, 50, 100,000, 200,000, $250,000. I always tell people, you got to do the work. You got to stop being lazy. Stop saying you can't do it. Let's do it. You got one job, go get another job, get a side job. We did a video on that. We ain't going to get into that, right? And you can make some great money off your savings then, right? Or you could go right here to Allied Bank, another great bank. You can make 4.20% on your money again. But look at look at these other banks, people. Look, JP Morgan, 0.001. That's horrible. Bank of America, 0.01. Horrible. Another one, Wells Fargo, 0.25%. Again, people, you want to look for high yield savings account or even checking account. This is actually a checking account. So again, learn about these different ones. Now, account just for savings that I have to have my money sitting on it. You don't need no minimum requirement or anything, and it's not going to drop after a certain amount. Is Synchrony Bank. People, do your research on Synchrony Bank, right? They giving out, look what they're giving out, 4.75% APY on your money, people, right? Don't matter. You start in there, open your little account. You could go right online. They're going to ask you your basic information. You open an account, you start making that deposit. You're going to start making that APY on your money annually, people. And you don't have to worry about if you hit 500, 1,000, it's going to drop down to 0.01 or 0.25. No, we're looking at 4.75% APY on your money, right? So let's just say, for instance, right, let's pull up the calculator, people. I want to see y'all win, right? Let's bring this down so y'all can see this. Give me 1 second, right? So let's do 4.75%, right? Times, this is say $100,000, right? $100,000, right? Boom. You're looking at $4,750 a year, people. Not bad. If you had one of them regular accounts, let's go back to that. Let's do that 0.01%, right? Times that 100,000, people. I want you to see, get a vision, you know? So look what you're going to make, people. Should I have to repeat what we're looking at together? Okay, so you get my point. So if you want to put your money somewhere to make some kind of decent money, I actually got a relationship with Synchrony for a little over 3.5 years, making some good APY on my money, because it's just saying that account is just to, you know, generate some money in it. This is a great bank. Again, people, I do this because I want to see you win. Get in the comments, tell me what you need. You know, anybody could join this bank, so you don't have to worry about that. You go right online. You're going to open an account. They got, you know, 24/7 customer service, you know, $250,000 insured. So you're good on that angle. And ask more questions if you want to know more information about this savings account. But right now, overall, I'll say this is the top bank if you just want to put some money to save and generate some kind of money. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.